Hi, this is Brian with TSI. I'm here to show you how to properly maintain your expandable hub. Your first step is just to remove the nuts around the front of the hub. There's quite a few of these. Once we have this done, we're going to pull out the hub with nice even pressure. Okay, now that the hub is loose, we're just going to gently pull back on the hub. When we get to the point where you start to feel the inner cone, just kind of give it a little wiggle, and that's going to pull that cone out as well. Now make sure that you hold an even grip as to not damage the shaft. Set your hub down. And then we're going to come back and we're going to clean out all the marine grease on the inside. Make sure you do a good wipe down as to get rid of any contaminants for a proper seal later on. After you have it wiped down, we're actually going to take out this little washer on the inside and replace that. That'll be included in your hub maintenance kit. We do recommend that you take out the paddles and clean the paddles, get rid of any dirt, any grime that's in there. It's a very easy process. I'm not going to show you that. You're then going to take your inner cone out completely, and inside here you're going to see another one of those washers. Of course, you're going to want to clean the grease off of this as well. This is a dirty job. Set the inner cone down, and now you can take out the other washer. And make sure when you're replacing the washers that we always get this side facing in. You're going to fit that back inside there. And then the last washer you're going to take out is this big one right here. Again, inside facing out. Included in your maintenance hub kit, you're going to have your seals and your grease. Make sure you use a lot of this grease. Rubber gloves recommended. Get a handful of it and just grease it all over the place. The more grease, the better. Quick, easy work of that. Then we're going to come back over to the cone. Same thing, handful of grease. Just to maintain proper seal on your machine. Once the cone is inside, we are going to want to re-grease just the outer rim of the cylinder, just to make sure, again, we have a proper seal. Handfuls of grease will do it. We also do want to re-grease the shaft just to make sure it goes on there nice and smooth. Now we're able to put it back in the machine. Align it with your hole, maintaining pressure, even pressure. Till you have a seat. Then you can install the rest of your bolts. After that last bolt is installed, you're good to go. For any other additional information on these machines or any other machines that we have to offer, please visit our website at buytsi.com. That's BUYTSI.com. Thanks. Have a good day.